Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some Pillsbury cinnamon rolls in the air fryer. As you can see, we just have the flaky grand cinnamon roll, cinnamon bun. Make sure it says cinnabon. Actually, guys, this is my first time using the flaky ones. I normally just use the regular grands, but as long as it says cinnabon on there, I am going to assume that it's still going to be delicious. And these are the big ones here. I think you get about 5 of them in a roll. You can also use the small ones if you like. And then I'm going to use some I can't believe it's not butter spread, and then I made some cinnamon sugar mixture right there. You can actually use regular butter if you like, or you can use margarine, but I'm just going to use this I can't believe it's not butter. It's going to make these cinnamon bun rolls taste even better. All right, guys, so let's get started. We're going to go ahead and open this up. All of you guys should know how to open it up, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it, and then we're going to start assembling these delicious air fryer cinnabuns. Be right back. The cinnabuns. And as you guys know, there is always some icing that comes along with this. So we're going to take this out and we'll deal with that later. I'm going to go ahead and start putting these guys on the plate so we can add to it. So here we go. Gonna put them down on the plate. Oh, these are really fresh, guys. Yum. So this actually, what we're gonna do is actually gonna add a little bit more flavor. Every time I make this for my family, they're like, oh, these are so good. So this is just gonna kick up a notch, you know, the ones from the container, because who has time to make homemade cinnamon rolls? I mean, some of you guys may, but I do not have time to bake homemade cinnamon rolls. So therefore, we're gonna go ahead and hook these up a little bit better and then stick them in the air fryer. Okay, so we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cinnamon rolls there. I'm gonna go ahead and add the I can't believe it's not butter. Again, you can use regular butter as well. I'm gonna take about that much. I would say that this is probably about a tablespoon for each roll, and you want to go ahead and smooth it on there. The reason why I'm using the I can't believe it's not butter right now is because I do have real butter, but I didn't have time to take it out and let it sit a little bit so it can soften. But you can definitely use regular butter for this, but I tend to feel like this actually still tastes really good with the I can't believe it's not butter, or you can use the margarine as well. So we're going to put about a tablespoon on there. And then we're just going to get this little guy over here. Some of my cinnamon came off. We want all of that. We do not want to waste any of our cinnamon and sugar and our butter. All right, so that looks about good. And again, it's about a tablespoon of I can't believe it's not butter. Right here is the cinnamon sugar that I made, or you can buy cinnamon sugar in the grocery store, but you just make it to your liking. If you like more cinnamon, you add more cinnamon. If you like more sugar, then you add more sugar. So this is a teaspoon, and I'm going to put about a teaspoon on each one. You can do more, you can do less, but I find that a teaspoon is actually a good amount. You just want to sprinkle this on each one, about a teaspoon on each one. This is going to make it taste so good, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching my videos, and I want to thank you for all the nice comments that you guys leave. I hope that you guys are actually trying some of these recipes. I really do appreciate you guys. And for those of you who don't know, I am on Instagram under Solo Dolo Cooking, so you guys can go ahead and follow me over there. Right now I'm just kind of patting this in there, the cinnamon sugar mixture into the butter. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can see each time I make a new video. go ahead and take a look at the other air fryer videos that I have on my page. All right, so I'm just kind of patting that in there, and I actually think that looks good, and I think that is enough. So guys, we'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and start preheating the air fryer. All right guys, let's go ahead and get our air fryer preheated. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that preheat button, and we're gonna hit start. And for those of you who've watched a couple of my videos, you will see that most of the things that I put in my air fryer, the air fryer that I have, which is the Gourmet 6-quart, I pretty much just leave it on 400. I pretty much cook most things in my air fryer on 400, and everything comes out delicious. But I will say you need to go by your air fryer manufacturer's information and pamphlet. That way you know how yours work. But most of the time I don't deviate from the 400 degrees. So we're gonna let this preheat, and my preheat is for about 5 minutes. I do like to preheat most of the things that I cook in the air fryer, unless of course I'm just warming up something, like if you get fast food, or like a burger or some nuggets or some french fries, and you just kind of want it to warm through and crisp up. You don't have to use the preheat setting. So this has preheated. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that out. That's the basket. The basket is actually non-stick, but I do still like to spray some non-stick spray. This is my Misto olive oil spray. Pump it up and down a couple times to prime it. So I'm just gonna do that. And then it becomes an aerosol, and I can go ahead and spray my basket. I do recommend, even though your basket is non-stick, and look guys, that sprays pretty good. I actually had to play around with this a little bit, but now I really enjoy it. And again, it is the Misto olive oil sprayer, and I got that from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was about 10 bucks. So I really do like that. All right, so let's go ahead and add in our cinnamon rolls. Here we go. Guys, I'm telling you, the air fryer is so bomb. I've had a couple people actually watch my videos, and they told me that because of the videos, they went and they brought an air fryer and they love it. I have not had anyone tell me anything bad about the air fryer. Guys, you can cook some healthier, quick meals. So, all right, we're gonna go ahead and throw these in the air fryer. Let's go. Okay, and so while we have those going in the air fryer, this was the icing that it comes with. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna nuke this in the microwave for just a couple seconds. So I'm gonna do that while those cook, and I will be right back. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and check and see what these guys are looking like. Let's go ahead and take a look. Da, 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 da. Oh my word. These are to perfection. I hope that you guys can see this. I'm gonna try to get a better shot. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, guys, look what the air fryer can do. All right, so that's another shot of what the cinnamon rolls look like coming out the air fryer. All right, so I'm actually gonna switch over to a spatula. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, so I switched over. I'm gonna take these out with a spatula just because I think that that's gonna work better. Putting them in with the tongs worked well. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. But I would say taking them out looks like it's gonna be easier and more efficient to do this with a spatula. Oh my gosh, look at me making a mess. Guys, these smell so good. Woo! Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at. Oh my goodness. Looks like it was sticking just a little bit, but these are sticky buns. So, I mean, look at that. Look at that, girl. Oh my gosh. Oh. And this one in the middle. Let's get this guy out in the middle. Oh my Lord. Guys, so good. Guys, so good. So it's the last one that we're gonna get out. Guys, look at that cinnamon, that sugar, and that butter. Oh my goodness. Woo. Let me fix them up. Make them look a little bit more pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look. Cooked to perfection. All right. So remember, let's cut the air fryer off. Remember the icing that came with this? This is the icing that came with it. Gonna go ahead and just drizzle. Oh my gosh. We're gonna drizzle that on there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Woo. Yes, ma'am. Guys, my spot smells so yummy. Oh my goodness. And this is it, guys. Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, cinnabon style, in the air fryer with some extra cinnamon and sugar and some extra butter. I can't believe it's not butter. And look at it. This was done in about 8 minutes. Delicious. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed another air fryer recipe. Stick around. I do new videos once a week, mostly air fryer, because that's what you guys want to see. So guys, let me know if you try this and let me know what you think of it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye bye. I'm going in. You guys have a good one. Bye bye.